Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you a simple process on how you can make a satin lined shower cap. It is my second time making a shower cap and I hope you do enjoy the video. Kindly watch to the very end and subscribe to my channel too. So I have my two fabrics. I have the satin fabric in the color gold, and I also have my raincoat fabric, which is the fabric that is waterproof, that will not allow the water pass through to your hair while showering. So as I was doing this, I made sure I was so very gentle so as not to cause any dents in the fabric. And yeah, I just did all this. And if you want to see a detailed tutorial on how I cut out my circles for either bonnets or satin caps, I have a video. I'll link it up here. You can go check it out. And yeah, please do enjoy the video. Kindly watch to the very end. So here are my two fabrics. I've already cut them into full circles, so I'm going to take them to my sewing machine and start sewing. So to do this, I'm going to put the shiny parts or the good parts of the fabric facing each other, and the outer parts of the fabric towards the outer part. I don't know if that's explanatory, if you get the point, but yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing as you see me doing them. Then I'm going to sew all around. And to begin, during the first stitches, you're going to make a back stitch so as to make the stitches to be more sturdy and firm so that they don't come out. And as you've seen guys, I've not used those pins to hold the fabrics together because we want the shower cap to be waterproof as possible. So I'm not using the pins. The pins will kind of make holes on the fabric and I don't want that. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and stitch it all around as you can see me doing here. As I told you before, this is my second time sewing a satin lined shower cap. The first time that I made a shower cap, it was for my own purpose, for my own use at home, and I really loved the outcome of it. So I decided why not add it to my shop for my business. I do have a bonnet business, a hair accessory business where I make bonnets, and I'm also branching out to be adding other products such as these satin bonnets, such as these shower caps that you see me making here. I'll also add some pillowcases, other hair accessories to come. But in the meantime, if you want a bonnet, or if you want a reversible satin bonnet, or you want a satin lined shower cap, go to my business page, my online business page on Instagram or TikTok at beyote.accessories, and I'll also leave the links to my online shop in the description box so you can get sorted over there. I'll also leave a contact number whereby you can contact me in the description box. Feel free to contact me and get yourself these protective hair products that I do sell. So now that I've finished making the stitches on the outer lining, I'm going to go ahead and cut the excess threads and be gentle as possible while working on the raincoat fabric because we don't want to cause any dents on it. And I've also left a space like maybe 2 or 3 inches where I'll use to turn the shower cap inside out, as you will see me doing later. So here it is. I'm using that gap to just turn the fabric to the right side of it, and yeah, I'll continue the whole process. I hope you are enjoying the video already, and you let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think of this up to this point? Like the video if you are enjoying watching it. Right now that I have the fabric all turned out, I'm going to just flatten it out and make sure that the stitches lie flat. If it were a bonnet, I would have taken it to my iron and just pressed it down, but since I have the fabric that could get caught up in the heat, I'm just going to use my iron at a low heat and press everything down. So as you can see, I've already pressed everything. Then I've just taken it back to the sewing machine and I'll just sew it like maybe half an inch from the original stitches, and I'll close up everything, just leaving that gap there where I'll use to insert my elastic or any other fabric that you'll want to use, as you will see me doing later. After I've sewn everything, I'm just going to cut the threads again, as you see me doing there. And this is what I have: satin on the inside and the waterproof material on the outside, and that's the space that I do have that was left. I'm going to use to pass the thread. I don't know what I'm saying, but this is what I'm going to be using. As you see, there's the clasp over there. I have this thread that I'm going to use that I'm going to insert in the space that I've left. So I'm just going to use a safety pin to help me insert the thread into the space that I had left earlier, as you see me doing there. So yeah guys, I hope you are enjoying the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you have any questions too, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, as I said earlier, you can get these satin lined shower caps in my online shop at beyote.accessories. Feel free to contact me. Feel free to also, if you would like to make yours, feel free to download these video or the pattern, make use of the pattern and make yourself or for your friends. Something really funny that happened while I was sewing this shower cap is that, okay, it's not really bad, but I had this kind of like perfectionism or anxiety while doing this, because I didn't want to puncture the shower cap. So as I was passing the safety pin through this space here, I was really gentle and I really took my time. You'll see even later while I'm going to be assembling the shower cap into place, I was so gentle. I didn't want to make any mistakes or tear the waterproof material. Like, I was being very gentle. You could think it was a newborn baby. Compared to the first time that I was making it for myself, I really did take my time while making this shower cap, because I know I'm going to put it up for sale in my shop, so I didn't want to take any chances. Anyways, right here I've already finished passing through the thread and I'm just assembling it, as you can see me doing here. And these guys, I was just so, should I say, extremely careful or what, but anyways, yeah guys, just look out and don't log out just yet. Continue watching to the very end. Now that I have everything almost assembled, I'm just going to close up the gap that I had left to pass the thread through, as you see me doing here. I'm going to first of all put the is it called a clamp or a what? I'm going to pass it through the thread, and this will just offer additional security so that the thread doesn't move, and you can use it to adjust the size of the shower cap however you need it to be. So I'm just going to do that as you see me doing here. Then I'll close up the thread. I'm going to kind of tie it up at the end so that the clasp or the clamp doesn't move or doesn't go away. over here I'm now actually closing the gaps. And as I said earlier, you have to make sure to use your back stitches so as to really reinforce the material so that it doesn't tear or the stitches do not come out. And yeah, I hope you do enjoy the video, and thank you for watching to this point. And as simple as that, I have my shower cap, my satin lined shower cap. This is it, guys. And when I tell you the fabric is the waterproof material is really strong enough, water doesn't pass through, and you get yourself an adjustable satin shower cap that's so big it can fit even those bulky hairstyles such as the afro locks or dreadlocks. It can fit any bulky hairstyle. You can adjust it to your preference, to your size, and yeah, on the inside you get to protect your hair while you take your shower or while you just wear the shower cap during your protein treatment or whatnot. So guys, if you want one, head over to Beyote Accessories, link in my description box, or you can call me. My business number is also in the description box, and get yourself a nice product to protect your hair. Thank you for watching to this point, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.